Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you through what's in the May Creative Kit Club box. Sorry about my voice, I am losing it, so I'll do the very best I can for you today. Let's just start with this. I'm going to show you, it's not actually in the kit yet. It's a little stamp from Couture Creations. We're keeping that in the kit, but it just hasn't arrived yet, so we'll get that in the kit before we post it out to you. Some gorgeous little wooden cogs in a bag here, so sweet, and some wooden alphas, which are really nice. We have got the Antiquities collectibles, and another little stamp for you. This one's called Woven Lines by Kaisercraft. We just wanted to add some texture, so we've got some burlap and some cork, and we have got this really funky roll of a copper wire, which is really great for creating masculine layouts. We have got a laser cut, which is really grungy and awesome, and we have got this here, which is the Uniquely Creative Cork Alpha stickers, which go perfectly with this collection. Let's have a quick look in the magazine. Of course, you get your magazine in every kit, and we've got all of your layouts with your instructions at the front, and then all of your cards at the back. So they're very cool. We have got a really cool cut apart sheet to give you more sayings and words for your scrapbooking layouts, and some more texture. We have a sheet of corrugated cardstock. Next we have a couple of sheets of paper that weren't in the paper pack. There's this one here called Precious, and this one here called Treasured. Beautiful papers. And some cardstock. There's a couple of sheets of brown and a sheet of white. So we've got some mushroom and some slate, so they're really cute. And last of all, we have got the Antiquities paper pack. So that is included in there, including that sticker sheet with those awesome alphas. Alright, I'm just going to very quickly show you the two dies we've used. This one here is called Wonky Punchinella, and if I just turn it, you can see how it's going to cut out that really cool little wonky punchinella shape. Also really great for mixed media. That one is 1880. And this one here, which is such a fun die, some giant numbers, and it cuts out this here, it cuts out that thin edge, and then it also cuts out here this wider edge, so you actually get the two different styles of numbers out of the one die, and that one is also 1880. So let's take a look at the project. We had some beautiful guests join us this time, really talented artists. First one was Tara McLean, and she has done this gorgeous little layout. How cute is her little man there with all that dirt on him? Super cute. And then this is that Wonky Punchinella. You can get a bit of a look at it there and here. Yvette Fancielli, I'm going to learn how to say your name one day, Yvette. She has used these gorgeous cogs. What a beautiful layout of Grandpa in 1984. So this is the outline of that numbers die I was telling you about. We then had Alicia McNamara, who has done this beautiful vintage page. It's such a gorgeous vintage layout, and that is that stamp that we are still yet to slide into your kit. Another one by Tara. What a great layout of her family. I really like that layout. Fantastic. Tara again, she's added some sunshine and made this one a little bit more girly. Last one by Tara. Oh, and I'll show you here, that's the inside of the number die. So that is really cool. Another one by Alicia McNamara with all of that texture with the corrugated cardstock. And another one here. Look at those two little cuties. Okay, this one is one of mine. And of course I've used the Punchinella on here as well. Perfect for this sort. And this one is another one by Yvette, and see how she has made this one more girly by just adding the flowers. You could swap that out for some of those wooden cogs and another male layout. Beautiful. The girls have done such a great job. Couple more feminine ones. This one here by Yvette with all the blue tones. Isn't it beautiful? And Lucky Last, I love this layout. It's really gorgeous, by Alicia. Beautiful. She's done a fantastic job, and there'll be videos on these as well coming out throughout the month. Okay, this is not all the cards, but just some of them, and I just wanted to show you some of the cards the girls have done. Rachel Dutko also joined us, and she made some gorgeous cards. I love this one. I think this is my favourite. It's just a beautiful card. And this one here with the numbers, I'm just going to try to get it on an angle. She's got a whole bunch of layers of cardstock in there and has recessed those numbers. So cute. But the cards are all beautiful. There are more in the magazine. and I think my voice is just about run out, so I'm going to say you can shop this kit on our website now, which is www.uniquelycreative.com.au. It's our brand new website, so go check it out and you can shop this kit today. It's shipping from Monday the 6th of May. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.